Hello, and thank you for joining me for this demonstration on managing audio files within the Horizon Contact admin portal. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to manage the audio files that you've already got, add new audio files, and also look at the text-to-speech component that is available for you to utilize. As you can see on my screen, I'm currently signed into the Horizon Contact admin portal. And what I'm going to do to start off with is just show you where to find audio files. So by selecting the menu option in the top left corner of the screen, under the call handling subsection, you'll see an option there for audio files. And within here, you'll see a list of all of the audio files that are available on your Horizon Contact system. Now, before we go any further, I'm just going to show you by going to a call flow, just editing this. So within a call flow, we can see there is a announcement, and this is playing an audio file, which is a test welcome message. So on this test call flow, essentially a call comes in, a message is played, then the call is delivered to the queue. Now, if we ever needed to change that welcome message, which is quite common, we don't need to necessarily come into the call flow and make a change in here. All we actually need to do is make a change to the audio file that is assigned to the call flow, similar to audio files that are assigned to queues. So if we go and have a look at audio within here, let's go to callback, say for example, we can see there are a couple of audio files that are assigned to this particular queue. Now again, we might want to change the message for the callback, or what is played to the caller, to offer them a callback. So again, we don't need to come to this part of the queue or the callbacks tab on the queue to then change the audio file. All we actually have to do is go to audio files and then update the message that is attached to the audio file. So the best way to look at these audio files on the left-hand side are like repositories for messages that you're going to play. And then those repositories are assigned to various elements within the Horizon Contact admin portal. So as we saw a moment ago, the test welcome message is assigned to the main inbound call flow for our test number. So whenever we ring that test number, they hear this message first. Now, as I said a moment ago, rather than going to the call flow and then changing it to a different message within there, all we actually have to do is find the message that is applied, which is this one, and then we can make a change. So just by selecting that message, you can then go ahead and edit it. Now, it depends on what you want to do. You can use text to speech, or you can use some recording software and upload a recording that you have made yourself. If you are recording your own messages locally, you just need to make sure that you convert those audio files to the correct file format. To find that file format, see where we've got audio files here. There's a little question mark just there. If you select that, you'll then be able to see within the help files the WAV file format that you'll need to create your audio file in, so that it can successfully be uploaded to the system and then utilized by the system. So if you are using the uploading method, if you're recording locally, you just select upload file, and then that will allow you to browse through your file explorer on your desktop, and then you can find your converted audio file or WAV file and then upload it to the system. If you're not using the recording and uploading method, you can use text to speech, whereby selecting text to speech, you can choose whether it's a male or female voice that's played back to the caller. You can decide the tempo, so how quickly they relay the message, and then within the text to convert to audio, you just pop your message in there, and then that will be converted to speech by the system. If you want to listen to this and just tweak the tempo, or if you want to change between gender on the voice that the speech is relayed in, you can just press this play option. So by selecting the playback, you can then listen just to make sure you're happy with it, and then if you make any changes, you can just press save changes. The good thing about text to speech is if you need to make a change on the fly, it's not particularly difficult. You can just add some more information. So we might want to add in a bit more text in here. So we need to add a little bit more to the message, so we can just type that in and press save. Whereas if we were recording that locally, we'll need to re-record the whole message and then upload it after we've converted it to the correct file format. On the left-hand side, we can see we've got the option towards the bottom, same sort of format as everything else in Horizon Contact. We've got the option to add and delete within there. Just by selecting the message, you can edit the message. So if you want to add in a new message, just choose add at the bottom, type in the name, and then again choose the means that you wish to deliver the message via. So if you want to use text to speech, or if you want to upload a converted audio file. If you no longer want a message on the system, all you need to do is find that message and then select delete, and that'll just pop up a little splash screen saying, are you sure you want to delete that message? And you can just say, yes, I want to delete that message. In this video, we've demonstrated where to find your audio files in the Horizon Contact Admin Center, and also how to add, edit, and manage audio file types, so be it a uploaded audio file or a text-to-speech conversion. Thank you for watching this demonstration.